get over here?
You can see your pores excreting sweat.
No,
your
you
nose.
can't.
Yeah, on your nose. That kid.
Why is this earring down here?
I'm wearing it. But
Why
then that
are you
one fell
only
out.
wearing one ear?
It fell out.
Amber, these are mom's earrings from college that she gifted me and told me I could never lose because they were her favorite earrings in college.
I didn't know that. I just saw them on the dresser. I'll take them
No,
off. Hello, children. It's Amber.
I'm Andrew.
Stop.
I'm
Okay.
your mom, Ashley. I'm Charlie D'Amelio, and welcome to my channel. Fortnite.
What's wrong?
Oh, Fortnite. We love Fortnite.
The ultimate disrespect when you kill a squad.
Stop it.
Okay.
Can we do an intro,
Does this
please?
make you uncomfortable?
Okay, guys, so today we're
Stop.
making
We're
Christmas.
gonna
It's
rock
mine.
it.
Andrew, what's wrong with you?
No incest.
Hello, children. It's Amber.
Ashley.
I'm Andrew.
And today we're gonna be making holiday cookies without the recipe. So all three of us are gonna be competing against each other.
And my boyfriend is gonna judge it at the end.
We're gonna see who makes the best one.
There's a hole in my chin.
Should we make vegan cookies, Andrew, or do you want to make your own?
I'm making my own cookies.
You're gonna use eggs and stuff?
Let's see if there's eggs.
Never mind. Let's all get our bowls out, shall we?
You get the ugly plastic one, no offense.
Banana milk.
Can we make small portions? This is my bowl, I called it.
I'm
think
gonna
I'm
use
good.
this little green bowl.
Can we say
Chocolate
beforehand who
2020.
we think's gonna win? I think it's me. I have a good instinctual idea of how to bake cookies.
I think Andrew doesn't have any instinct on how to bake cookies.
And I think Ashley's gonna try and make them healthy and then they'll be gross.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna make it regular.
Regular.
Regular. I'm making cornbread cookies.
No, you're not.
Flare.
And just start with flair. I'm gonna start with vegan butter, sugar. You gotta cream it together.
I'm making my turmeric ginger wellness shot flavor.
Flare.
Why are we going so fast?
And you have to make your own frosting at the end too.
No, I'm making chocolate chip, buddy.
Amber, I say Christmas cookies.
Santa wanted chocolate chip.
Amber, you know that Charles loves chocolate chip cookies, and that's unfair.
I didn't know that.
Amber, that's unfair.
Actually,
for
why would you
chocolate
tell me
chip
that now? Because now I'm just not ever gonna stop making chocolate chip.
You have to make it even. We
Shut
all are
the-
doing sugar
Shut up!
cookies.
I'm using all the sugar now, friends. Creaming the sugar and butter. Can everyone like explain what they're doing as they go?
Okay.
So what I'm doing is copying Amber.
Oh! This whole sugar!
I'll take it,
Fell in
I'll take it,
Okay,
I'll
yeah,
take
fire,
it.
fire, fire. Ashley, you're always there to save me.
Yeah, I know.
What would I do without you?
I know.
Where is
You
it?
used all the sugar.
No, I didn't.
That's like
You can use non-vegan sugar, Ashley.
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew put an egg in there too.
I know exactly why it smells like that.
That's what she said.
I'm pouring liquid smoke.
Shut up.
Ashley,
Like
no
that.
offense.
Where's the egg replacer?
No offense. I have no idea.
Egg replacer. I just made my egg replacer and I'm gonna leave it to sit and develop. And I'm gonna mix it with my wet ingredients.
Oh,
and
you know what? I'm
add-
gonna do that too.
Why do you have 3 bowls, Ashley? What's wrong with you?
Why is this almost done?
Why is it yellow?
That's
Because the egg yolk.
Yeah, that's what it normally looks like.
Really?
Are you serious?
Why does Andrew's look fire?
You need baking soda?
It depends, Andrew.
You know what? I almost forgot that. Thanks
Shut
a lot.
up, Andrew. You're so oily. Okay, hold it up.
Show it.
Mine looks
Squish
the
this
most like it should.
Andrew, you're going way too fast.
Guys, my piece is way too extreme.
Slow down. Ah!
This is vegan Nutella. I want to put it in.
I'm spitting it on. Okay, now I'm adding in my egg replacer and so,
So
is
am
Amber.
I. Can you stop copying
Can
me?
you stop copying me? Mine's
Copying
thicker
me?
than yours.
Mine's thicker than yours.
No, I'm
No,
thicker
I'm thicker than you.
No.
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 For you guys that don't know, egg replacer is literally
Flaxseed.
ground up flax.
And like potato starch. I'm using the rest of the flour because I literally need to.
You're gonna make me have to use like.
Corn flour.
Oh, I can't use corn.
Cornmeal, baby. I'm blending oats right now to make oat flour.
I accidentally have so much batter. How did this happen?
That's why I said like try not to do that, but you just don't listen to me. Do you hate me or
Whoa,
something?
what the heck just happened?
I plugged the light back in.
Oh.
Forehead.
What? What's wrong with tasting mine?
But mine has
Do you know
egg.
what that is?
Powdered sugar.
Yeah, why'd you put powdered sugar in your dry batter?
I don't know.
Hey Ashley, how do you make cream?
What are you talking about? Frosting?
Frosting.
I don't know if I can answer that for you.
Oh, I'm just gonna watch you then.
Okay. We didn't have enough flour. Whoa! This is our workspace right now.
Where's the confectionist?
How are you gonna say ow when you literally just stepped all over my foot?
How's everyone's batter and things going so far? What's
Amber, I've
everyone's-
added so much extra flour.
Wait, can you show what it looks like?
No, I don't wanna.
This is Ashley's dough, and she says, I need to keep adding more flour. Can you clean up your bowl, too? Are we all putting ours on the same tray?
No,
Why not?
because what if mine touches Andrew's? I'm just kidding. How
How about yours go in the middle and then mine go on the end?
Amber? That's such a dick move. Ow! Who did that to the steak?
Fuck you.
Sabotage. No one added salt.
Do not add salt to your cookies, you weirdo.
I hope Charles likes my hand germs. This is a disaster. That is fire. I literally hate that I had to use whole wheat flour. My cookies are literally dark brown.
Whoa, Ashley.
Andrew, how confident do you feel in your cookies?
Very confident.
I'm rolling out my cookie dough so that I can cut it into shapes. Mine tastes bad.
It does?
Can I like grab a vacuum?
It's okay. Someone's
Nor.
video,
Huh?
someone's cookies had to be disgusting, and I guess it will just be mine.
What?
You put fix up butter, Andrew?
She's making
Yes, I forgot to put something in my batter.
What'd you forget?
I can't tell you.
salt.
I think I know.
How'd you know it was salt?
Because I already added salt.
Oh
Do you actually need salt?
It helps to... No, you don't.
Well, obviously I'm not changing what I did, but why would you need salt?
It enhances the flavors. It cuts the sweetness.
Well, I need mine sweet.
You're gonna do flaky sea salt on top of your sugar cookies, Ashley? Stop judging me! Sugar boy think that I need him?
I'm making a different kind of cookie just in case right now.
Ah! Stop doing that! It's just Cookie rolling, cookie
I
rolling.
smell cat. What? Yeah. Gouge me face.
You know what's awesome about this baking episode?
What?
I'm wearing your sweater so I don't mind getting it dirty.
Oh, I love you for that.
I also love you for that.
I smell cat. You guys are so slow. Unbelievable.
Okay, sure.
Oh, there's
What?
I'm showing them my cookie on the video. There's like one of my huge hairs in it.
Ashley copied me.
No, I didn't.
Ashley suddenly making chocolate chip cookies? You're kidding.
No, not just chocolate chip cookies. Pretzel chocolate chip cookies.
And also sugar cookies and iodized salt cookies.
You gave me
watched
too
a lot
much time, and now I'm putting salt in mine.
Andrew!
Oh!
Yeah!
I'm mixing in pretzels.
Oh, there's gonna be a hair in Charles' cookie.
No, I took it out.
No, there's a hair in mine now.
Oh, that's like when we made the me and Andrew made a bunch of pumpkin muffins with expired pumpkin, and then gave the muffins to Charles, and then he watched the video and was like, "What?"
Yo! Andrew just put a whole tablespoon of salt on his cookie.
Move! Move out the way!
Stop!
You help me.
More hair in our cookie.
I have to clean this up before Mom kills us all.
We're gonna help you.
Us knowing we won't.
What are you doing?
Nothing. It's like Play-Doh. That's not a good sign. I added quite a lot of salt into my mouth.
Yeah! Right under my arm and if
No.
and if you
Amber, no.
I'm gonna show you our tray of cookies. This top row is mine, and then the rest of these are Ashley's. Andrew, did you even pay attention to how long you want to bake your cookies for? How long?
10 minutes.
10?
Do you see how big his cookies were?
It's not gonna close.
Okay.
We're good, we're good. Okay, my baker's instinct says 13 minutes.
Mine says 25.
Okay, you can think yours a bit longer then. Okay, we're just gonna clean up now, and we'll catch you when our cookies are out of the oven.
Okay, guys, I just took my cookies out of the oven. Looking like this. Looks fire. I'm gonna taste test one right now. Is that allowed?
Nope.
Honestly, not bad.
Andrew, come check on your cookies.
Oh my god, why did that? This is my ogre poop green frosting.
In the middle of filming, Andrew decided he needed to take a shower. Andrew, Charles is here and you're missing him.
Wants to be too. Look, he's so friendly. I made something cool.
I'm decorating my cookie.
Oh.
This is awesome.
We're gonna mix it up. We have 3 cookies here.
Wait, I'm gonna angle down and show what he's looking at.
Did he guess which ones is whose or no?
Is this a Christmas tree?
I
to say.
don't know.
This is Ashley's. This is Amber's. This is Andrew's.
Interesting
Okay, we'll
choice.
see.
Which one do you want to try first?
From left to right.
Okay, the Christmas tree one.
agua!
Put them in the frame.
I hope you know we did make these with the recipe.
Is that good?
Really? Can you say what you think of like specific things about it?
I taste salt, which I like. Is that salt?
Give me the pepper. Oh my.
They're all good.
Really?
This one's good too.
Does it taste different from that
Where are
one?
the flavors?
Well, I like this one is like, it's a good balance of soft and crunchiness. It's crunchy on the outside. I'll take another break.
So what was the first one like? Just soft?
I thought that was gonna be really good. I'm a bad judge. And this is also good.
Okay, okay.
This one's by looks. Ready?
Oops.
Can I make my decision?
Wait,
Right now?
explain a bit about it. What do you like or not like about it?
I don't know if I'm feeling this one. I know who won.
I know that Charles doesn't like colorful frosting.
Yeah, I wonder why the person still put colorful frosting on it.
Can I make my decision?
Wait.
I have a winner.
Can you do a run through of like?
This one by look. These like almost tasted the same, but I like this texture better. It's just, yeah, it's just better.
I feel
and then
that.
it also tasted better.
So your overall winner?
It's this one.
You're Andrew. That wasn't even in the frame. Why would you still do that? Just for no reason.
I think rated from third to first, mine was the last.
Yeah, wait, have mom.
I think it's really.
Wait, mom.
Don't put me in the
Wait,
video. I'll just talk about
But
it.
mom, you look pretty.
I'm a bad judge.
so
done.
salty.
Now mom's gonna do a taste test.
This
The
one
first one.
was a little dry.
Wait, hold up a bit higher.
It's all mushed right now.
Now she's eating the second cookie.
It's lighter, crispy.
Now the third one.
I like the looks of this one. It's very pretty. Oh, this one's mushier.
Actually, get in the frame.
I have to say this is the prettiest and it's the best tasting.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Mom got a good bite of mine.
That's yours?
Yeah, thank you, Mom.
Wait, who did you think it was?
I figure it's one of yours because I kind of thought this was Andrew's.
The first one.
But you know what? For the fact that it's got butter, it's still dry. I thought this was actually more moist.
Ashley spin hers.
No, I didn't.
No, they're very good.
If Ashley's comes in first, then what's the ranking for the second two?
This one, my Amber.
Oh. It's okay, Andrew.
Wait, so Charles's ranking was Amber, Andrew,
Andrew,
Ashley,
Ashley.
and then mom was Ashley, Amber, Andrew.
I wanted
Yeah.
this to
Yeah.
be like really buttery, but
Andrew,
it wasn't
you failed
buttery.
me.
Really, it was going into the
Andrew.
oven.
I think you dried yours out by baking it too long.
I'm a bad judge.
No,
I
you're
go by
good.
taste.
No, that's the main thing.
But I can't describe it.
Alrighty, that concludes our challenge video. Comment down below what you think the ranking was in your opinion, based on what you were able to figure out through the screen. Yeah. Wishing you guys a wonderful holiday season from
Happy
my family to
holidays.
yours. Subscribe for more. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos with my family while I'm home over winter break. I didn't even try my cookie yet.
Which one's yours? Is it?
I like the cookies. Thank you.
Wait, I didn't finish the outro. My cookie is good. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.